this is a flow bot. And so these are actual orders throughout the day. So you can see like Nike 16 orders today, calls, it shows the premiums. We have a sweepers bot where it shows like call orders, large put orders, and then golden sweeps. Anything that's golden, it's over 1 million in premiums. And so what Tradietics does is they take a look at the sweeps, they look at the tradie flow, and then based on the call and put sentiment, then they show it through the algo flow. And so what this is, there's a lot of, right now, there was a lot of put orders going in, and that's why the algo flow was bearish on SPY. And then I'll go over a couple examples of like what we like to look for with algo flows, and I'll go over like convergences and divergences. So this is a firm. This example, so this is the 5-day for a firm, and this is the intraday. So this is the 1 day. Again, this is the 5-day. This was on October 7th. So what is that, Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. And this was after the market closed. So what I do is I take a look at the algo flow going into the day, and I'll always check it throughout the day. But this was what it looked like going into the day. And we can see this large spike right here. And when you have the algo flow, when it's bullish, when it's on an upwards trend like this, and the stock price is on an upwards trend as well, that's showing that there's a lot of strength. And if you look at the intraday as well, algo flow, we can see it's clearly, the momentum is clearly up. Stock price is following that algo flow. And when you see that, when it's lined up together, you'll likely see a continuation with the stock next. So if you look at a firm, so that algo flow was on this day. And then we can see a firm next day, it closed around like 7% on the day to the upside. And so in that case, that was showing continuation. It can also show bearish continuation as well. So if the algo flow is red and down on a downwards trend like that, and the stock price is on a downwards trend, that's showing weakness, a lot of weakness to the downside for a bearish continuation. So that's continuation. And then you also have your divergences. So if you look at this, let me move this real quick.
So yeah, it looks like the stock price is going up, but all the algo flow is shooting to the downside. What is that?
Right. So this was on October 7th as well. October 7th. And what this, I said in the Discord that there's potentially a lot of bulls are going to be trapped in that, because you have stock price going up and then the algo flow was going down, right? And then if you look what happened.
Yeah.
Wait, let me go back to, let me go to SPY.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, let's line it up with what SPY's doing, and then line it up with what I like what you're doing here. Yeah. Because we look at the price action. So I like what you're doing with the algo flow to confirm what price is doing and where people are at, and that makes sense. Mm-hmm.
So this is Thursday and this is Friday. So this was taken on, this screenshot was taken on Thursday. So this move with the stock price was right here. That was this move right here.
Mm-hmm.
And then the algo flow started dropping. So you see here, algo flow started dropping. What did price do after? Price died throughout the day after like 10:30, like you said. So a lot of cases, price will follow the algo flow. And when you see a divergence between the stock price and the algo flow, it'll usually converge together.